So if you have a bad furnace control board, and you may be wondering how much does it cost to replace a furnace control board? Well, in general, roughly it's going to cost somewhere around $400 to $700. That's a pretty common uh, um, price for an HVAC tech to come out, troubleshoot it, and replace it. And most of the cost is going to be for the HVAC tech. So that's what the thing that's going to vary hugely, since they could change on location. Is it on the weekend? Is it after 5 o'clock? Or do you live really far away and they got to charge mileage to get there or something like that? That's the unknown. One of the things you can do is you can just look up your furnace control motherboard and see how much they cost. So like right here, I'm on Amazon, and as you can see, they got a whole lot of furnace control motherboards here or on eBay or other sites, and you know, you can get them as low as $29, and all the way up for this one is $129, or they could go higher. But so you can get a general idea how much it costs. You can find it online and see how much the board itself is going to cost. So the next question a lot of people have is, you know, can I replace my own furnace control board? And the short answer is yes, you can, but be sure to be careful that you know what you're doing. First of all, be sure that it's bad, and that you know you for sure it's bad. It's not some component or the wiring or anything, so you don't waste your money buying another board. If you have dealt with circuit boards before, like swapped out a computer motherboard or something similar, then you probably won't have any issues. But if you haven't, it's probably best to call an HVAC tech. But it's not extremely difficult. Mainly, if you go to swap one of these out, you're going to have to you know, turn the power off, and then all the wires are going to have to be replaced back into the exact same spots. The first thing you want to do is make sure the motherboard you got matches the old one, and then you just want to switch the wires over. A lot of times you could just do this one by one, but sometimes it gets a little difficult. But make sure you take pictures or something before you do anything, so that you can always refer back if you have to, if you go this route. I'm not suggesting that you do replace your own motherboard. I'm just saying that if you went this route, then that's the way you can. So, you know, can you replace your own furnace control board? Yes, you can replace your own furnace control board. If you find it online, you're comfortable changing out parts like this and not mixing up the wires or nothing, then yes, you can definitely go that route. But I just wanted to give a real quick overview on how much the general cost is to replace a furnace control motherboard. Let me know down in the comments below if you've had one of these, or you've been quoted a price, how much it costs you to replace a control board. But that's basically it. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.